Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disconnect and unpair remote play devices from Steam Link. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see a menu labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration options where you can manage various aspects of your account and connected devices. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find a list of different configuration categories. Navigate through these options and click on Remote Play. This section specifically handles all the devices that are connected to your Steam account through the Remote Play feature, allowing you to stream games from your computer to other devices like phones, tablets, or even your TV through Steam Link. Now, within the Remote Play settings, you'll need to locate the section called Computers and Devices. This is where Steam displays all the devices currently paired with your account for remote gaming. Below this heading, you'll see a list of all your connected devices showing their names and connection status. Each device that's been paired will appear here, making it easy to manage your remote gaming setup. To disconnect a device, simply look to the right side of the device name you want to remove. You'll notice an Unpair button positioned right beside each device entry. Click the Unpair button next to the specific device you want to disconnect from your Steam Link setup. Once you click this, the device will be removed from your list of connected remote play devices, and it will no longer have access to stream games from your Steam library. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected and unpaired remote play devices from your Steam Link, giving you better control over which devices can access your gaming library remotely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.